Hello and welcome to Mediacafe Travel. Be sure to subscribe by hitting the red button below or at the bottom right hand corner of this video. Today's video, we're going to talk about Sugar Factory in Biloxi. So for those who don't know, the Sugar Factory is located in the Hard Rock Casino in Biloxi. It is also located in Las Vegas and other areas, but this is the one in Biloxi. And the menu is very similar to the one everywhere else. You can see here's inside the restaurant. You can see the casino in the background there. Lots of media available in the Sugar Factory. These menus are very specific for a couple of different reasons. They've got breakfast foods, burgers, other dishes, other entrees. They're also known for their desserts, which you're going to see a little bit later. Their milkshakes, their sundaes, things of that nature. But also their elaborate and evocative cocktails in large Sugar Factory glasses. We showed you the one before, but this was more recent. This was during a December trip to Biloxi. So we're going to see a different cocktail this time. And you will see it's still fun and delicious, actually. So get ready to experience the Sugar Factory in Biloxi. One of the things you'll notice at the Sugar Factory is it's always party time.
When I say get, you say lit. Get, lit, get, lit. All right, y'all, let's turn up a J's.
There are always parties going on at the Sugar Factory, so it's everyone's birthday whenever you're there, it seems to be. Here is the appetizer platter, stored in the sampler. So we've got 4 different items here. You've got your chicken tenders, your chicken wings, your sliders, not the colorful sliders if you order them individually, so not the colorful bread like if you wanted to see our last video, you can see that. And of course, French fries. Everybody loves fries. One of the items we tried is the Chinese chicken salad, which is shredded cabbage, julienne carrots, water chestnuts, green onions, basil, toasted sesame seeds, roasted peanuts, cilantro, and crispy wontons with ginger sesame dressing. So it makes for a nice looking meal, looking dish, as well as very tasty. Especially the ginger dressing is very good. So this is the Chinese chicken salad. As a side, we got the green bean almondine, which is very tasty if you like green beans and almonds. But this is the Waffle Breakfast Burger, which is certified Angus beef with vanilla bean waffle, a fried egg, cheese, a hash brown, country sausage, apple with bacon, and gravy as well. And we're going to see the gravy on top of it in just a bit. but it also comes with maple syrup if you want to put that on your waffle. But again, this is a unique dish. It's got your burger, your breakfast, and your lunch basically on one platter. Again, this is a good unique dish, and the waffle is tasty. The burger is good. The sausage and bacon is good, and the country gravy is pretty good as well. So it's certainly worth a try. So you see they had some special holiday items, including holiday cocktails and holiday milkshakes, which we're going to see a little bit later. But here is the draw of Sugar Factory, the gigantic cocktails. This is actually a Miami Tropical Punch. And of course, it's all about the show. It's always fun to have a drink like this decorated and doing fun things like steaming for you on the dry ice. But Sugar Factory, this is just a fun place to have a little bit of fun. The Miami Tropical Punch has Mai Tai Punch, pina colada flavors. They are served either non-alcoholic, or you can get it with tequila and coconut rum. So in grenadine, of course, it's a very delicious mix, actually, of a drink. So either way, either alcoholic version or the non-alcoholic version, you're going to have a good, tasty drink. And it's fun to look at. So enjoy. Yes, lots and lots of birthdays. Here is one of their special milkshakes, though, for the season. Specially done for the season. It's a gingerbread peppermint milkshake. You can see the gingerbread house on top of the milkshake, on top of the works. Candy canes all over the place. And it's a mint milkshake. It's got mint. It's got peppermint sticks included in the milkshake. It was very tasty, actually. Everything except for the gingerbread house. That's pretty much decorative. I don't think you want to really consume that gingerbread house, although it is technically edible. It's not necessarily the best thing to eat, but everything else was very tasty. But again, the gingerbread house looks good. I would not recommend eating it. And never forget, Sugar Factory is actually also got a candy shop with ice cream included attached to it. The restaurant is unique in and of itself, but it's also got a literal sugar factory with all kinds of candy options for you. This is true at the Biloxi location as well as the location in Las Vegas. But definitely a unique place, a fun vibe, and again, it's birthday central. So be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video of Mediacafe travel. We appreciate you watching. See you next time.